protest marches were held in Montreal and Toronto and were organized by the Islamic community Miligarush and the East Turkestan Association to highlight the human rights violations against the Uyghurs in East Turkestan. Also, plenty Kazakhs came in New York together to protest in front of the UN building. A pharmaceutical group from Shanghai is being investigated for the suspicion of having HIV-contaminated immunoglobulin products. The National Health Regulatory Authority for Nutrition and Medications as well as the National Health Authority announced that an own investigation is initiated to clarify the suspicion. The Iranian President Rouhani spoke in front of diplomats gathered in Tehran about the American interference with Iran. If the Americans apologize for interfering with Iran, we could be ready to accept that, says the president. He continues pointing out that the existence and interference of foreign powers needed to stop in the region. The United States are not able to reach their target, the president mentions, finalizing his speech. In the south of the Philippines, the Muslim minority of the Moros are now able to vote in second round about an autonomous region. The vote on whether to be part of the autonomous region or not is determined by the voters from Lanao del Norte in Cotabato. The National Security Advisor of the White House, John Bolton, offers a deal to the Venezuelan army in which he promises to drop the US sanctions against Venezuela if they recognize the interim President Guaido. The US sanctioned a state-owned oil company of Venezuela and transferred Venezuelan money in America to Juan Guaido.